Hello everyone, I'm Doorbell Walker, the real Doorbell Walker. I not bury the body over there. Doorbell Walker, real Doorbell Walker would never do that. Anyway, I'm here in Arizona. Yeah, this is Arizona. Yeah, that's Arizona. Today we're at the beach in Arizona, because this is where I'm Arizona. And we're celebrating Doorbell Walker's existence, because I'm Doorbell Walker, I'm not the guy in the night. Let's go have some fun. Doorbell Walker feels sand for the first time, because guess what? I'm Doorbell Walker. This is very pleasant, except for the fact that it's burnt as we speak. This does help with the fact that the sand is super hot here. Doorbell Walker touches water for the first time. You know what's fun? I'm having so much fun. My phone isn't even waterproof. If I drop this, it's all over. Guess what I'm doing? That's me peeing right now. The water is yellow. Guys, you can't tell how much fun I'm having. I'm having so much fun. Goodbye, world. I love you. You did nothing but pester me. I can't even reach the floor, I don't think. This is the part of the video where I eat a sandwich. If you guys see this Ventura, right now, we're looking for crabs. Crabs or sandwiches. So, basically what we're doing here is risking the safety of our phone. My phone. My phone. I did not find anything. Acrobat. Hey, you guys wanna play the French horn? This is so stupid. Funny thing is, this floaty, it isn't even mine. This might be the stupidest thing I've ever done. Oh, is that a shark or that my shadow? Not once do I want to put my feet down. Look what's under there. Okay, I'm getting out of here. This is what I get for being stupid. I'm having so much fun. Yeah, Arizona has been fun.